Okay folks, this is the Mac IIfx. Let's turn it on. I got this bad boy dinosaur from eBay. Killer computer from its day. Year was 1990. Maximum RAM was 128 megabytes. Came with a 500 meg hard drive, upgraded to 1 gig. Has a nice little, considered high resolution at the time, monitor. Came with a really weird keyboard though. Has the upgrade option for a second floppy drive. Here we go, we are loading OS 7.5. And this is a 40 megahertz computer. This is what they call At Ease, which is a program for keeping your computer kind of kid-friendly, kid-safe, whatever you want to call it. Start with Word. There we go, Microsoft Word for its day. Typeable document, and there you go. Wow, quit, which takes you back to that. Even got Pong on this bad boy. Alright, enough of that, quit. What else do we got? Got a little Pac-Man game on here. Alright, quit that. Here's a classic for all you vintage Mackers. Fly Swatter. Nothing more and less than just swatting flies. Really kind of stupid game. And let's quit that. Let's see, let's go to some of the what everybody knows is the Finder. And this thing has, look at that, a whopping 20 megabytes of RAM. Oh, it's OS 7.6. Go to the good old control panel. Desktop patterns, haha. Look at all these wonderful choices we had back then. Gotta think for a minute before it closes. Here we go, good old sounds. And what else do we got? Look at that, a whole whopping 859 megabytes available on the hard drive. Games. Look at that, Solitaire from back then. And we'll quit that. Here's a really stupid game from back in the day. File, new game. And we'll quit that. Look at that good old Oregon Trail. This baby's loaded. And I won the original Tetris games. And that's about it. That's one of the good old Mac IIfx's for you. It was a whole between $9,000 and $13,000 back in the day, depending where you got it from.